Hello, Panthers! This video will teach you how to use a reading system called SQ3R. Other videos in this series will cover different reading systems. Sometimes students mix and match steps from different systems to make their own system. This is totally fine as long as it works for you. When you are in college, just reading your textbook is not going to be enough. You will also need to take notes, and you will need to use active learning strategies to learn the information. That's where a reading system can help you. SQ3R is a reading system with 5 steps that was developed by Francis P. Robinson at Ohio State University during World War II. The steps in the system are survey, question, read, recite, and review. Step 1 is to survey your textbook chapters, which will allow your brain to create advanced organizers for the information in your book. Advanced organizers act like file drawers and folders in your brain. They create an organizational structure in which you can store information, which will make it easier to remember information later. Read the title and consider how this chapter might relate to the rest of your textbook. Read the introduction paragraph or section. Skim the headings so you know what information is included in the chapter. Read the summary paragraph or section. Now you and your brain know what to expect when you read the full chapter. Step 2 is to turn the headings into questions. If you don't have headings in your textbook, use bold or italicized vocabulary words or the first sentence of each section to make questions. Consider writing your questions on a piece of paper. Step 3 is to read the material under the headings to find answers to your questions. This process forces you to focus on the reading and actively engage with the material. Step 4 is to recite. At the end of each section, recite the answers to your questions in your own words without looking at the text. Consider writing the answers to your questions at this point. Step 5 is to review all of your notes to get the big picture. Cover the answers with a separate piece of paper and say or write that information. This active learning strategy is more powerful than just reading your notes. Develop a system of daily and weekly note reviews and include it in your planner and on your to-do list. Review your lecture notes daily and review all of your class notes weekly. You can also use your weekly review time to integrate information from your lecture notes and reading notes to create study tools now instead of waiting for the night before the test. Harness your inner geek this week. The Study Time video series is a joint effort between the Learning Center and the Office of Academic Advising, both at the University of Northern Iowa. Please contact the Learning Center if you need additional assistance.